All right, let's look at homework 5, problem number 4. All right, so let's solve this following quadratic equation. All right, so first thing I would do is I'm going to put 14 over to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 14. So we get 10x squared minus 4x minus 14. And the right hand side is going to be 0. All right. Then everyone seems to have 2 in there, so I'm going to pull 2 out. So you have a 2 factored out. So you have 5x squared minus 2x minus 7. All right. So we have that. So that's equal to 0. All right. So let's use the AC test method here. A is 5 and C is negative 7. So AC is equal to 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. All right. Then you have B is equal to negative 2. All right. So we can do 35 is, let's see, we can do 5 times negative 7. And the negative 2 is 5 plus negative 7. Right? So we can split negative 2x as, so you have a 2. Right? So you have a 5x squared. But the negative 2 is 5x, so I'm going to put the plus 5x and then minus 7x. All right. So all I did was I split the negative 2x as positive 5x and the negative 7x. All right. Minus 7 is equal to 0. And we can do the grouping. So 2. All right. I'm going to group the first 2 together here. And second 2 together. All right. So it looks like we can, there's a 5x's in common. So we put 5x. What's left is x plus 1. Here, there's a negative 7 is in common. And x plus 1 left over. And equal to 0. All right. So we have a common factor, x plus 1 here, and also x plus 1 there. So we can pull that out. So 2 is already out. Now we can pull x plus 1 out. Then you can see that the 5x minus 7. 5x minus 7 is left over. Set that equal to 0. All right. Then we have, all right, so first we can set this guy equal to 0, x equals negative 1, so that's easy enough, right? And I'm going to set the other guy, 5x minus 7 equals 0. So I'm going to add 7, so you have a 5x equals 7. Then we can just divide through by 5 to get the x equals 7/5. All right, so let's type in those answers. All right, so we had, oops, sorry, go back. All right, so it's going to be, I forgot the answer. Let's negative 1 and 7/5. Let's see, go here. All right, so answer is negative 1 and 7/5. All right, check the answer. All right, got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.